Adeyanju. How are you? Uriwa and everybody that side. I place you on television. Whenever I wave, you don't respond.
No, I haven't got this to that level that I can respond to you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
I welcome you all to our second regular quarterly consultative meeting for the year 2025. You may recall that our first quarterly meeting, I think, was held on Friday, 7th February 2025. Let me therefore express the Commission's appreciation to you for always responding to our invitation to these important consultative meetings. Today's meeting is holding in the middle of two electoral activities. First is the conduct of primaries for the area council election in the Federal Capital Territory, which by our timetable and schedule of activities ends on Monday, 30th June 2025. As you are aware, the election will be held in 68 constituencies, made up of chairmen and their deputies for the 6 area councils, namely Abaji, the Abuja Municipal Area Council, Amak, Buari, Gwagwalada, Kuje, and Kwali, as well as 62 wards for the election of councillors, drawn on the basis of 10 wards for each area council, except Amak, which has 12 wards on account of its population. The full delimitation details for the FCT are available from our website. The second electoral activity is the forthcoming Anambra State governorship election. Again, as you are already aware, campaign in public by political parties commenced exactly 2 weeks ago, I think on the 11th of June 2025, and will continue until midnight of Thursday, 6 November 2025. That is 24 hours prior to election day. The Commission will continue to update you on these and other electoral activities. I urge you to monitor these activities. At the same time, I wish to appeal to you to promptly upload your applications for accreditation of media personnel for the Anambra State governorship election holding on Saturday, 8th November 2025, as soon as the portal opens, so that we can process and deliver your accreditation cards well ahead of the election. Clearly, one of the topical issues on election administration in our country today is the status of the letters of intent we received from associations seeking registration as political parties, amidst partisan insinuations in some quarters that the Commission is equivocating on the matter in a manner that compromises our independence. Nothing can be further from the truth. Nigerians may recall that the same unfounded accusation was made under similar circumstances in 2013, that the Commission was not keen on the proposed merger of political parties because, according to them, INEC had merged with the ruling party at the time. For the record, the present Commission registered the largest number of political parties in Nigeria, strictly following the provision of the electoral legal framework. For the 2019 general election, there were 91 political parties and 73 presidential candidates. The Commission was criticized in some quarters for registering too many political parties. After the election, the Commission also deregistered over 70 political parties as provided by law. We wish to reassure Nigerians that under the current situation, we will continue to be guided by law and act with fairness to all associations seeking registration as political parties. We will treat all requests fairly, irrespective of the status of their promoters, be they ordinary or prominent citizens. Nigerians will be fully briefed on the actions taken by the Commission every step of the way. As at Monday, 23rd June 2025, the Commission received letters of intent from 110 associations that wish to register as political parties. We are diligently processing the requests in line with the procedure outlined in the law, as well as our regulations and guidelines. We have acknowledged all requests received so far, except 6 of them received recently, which will be done before the end of the week. For emphasis, I wish to inform Nigerians, particularly those interested in registering new political parties, that the handbook containing the regulations and guidelines for political parties 2022 is already available from the Commission's website. Meanwhile, the Commission is today releasing the full list of the 110 associations seeking registration as political parties, indicating their proposed names, acronyms, addresses, and the names of their pro tem chairmen and secretaries. For transparency and public information, the list will be uploaded to our website and social media platforms shortly, while hard copies are included in your folders for this meeting. I cannot conclude my opening remarks without briefing you on the conduct of outstanding by-elections and the resumption of the continuous voter registration. I am glad to announce that the Commission is now in a position to conduct the by-elections and to resume the nationwide continuous voter registration. The Commission met yesterday, and we are finalizing the details of the 2 activities, which will be made public in the next 24 hours. As usual, we look forward to your support. Once again, I welcome you to this meeting